How's it going, YouTube? Well, I made a short showing about what I'm getting ready for, but I kind of alluded to a little bit my winter project. So let's go a little deeper into what I'm going to do for my winter project. So we'll walk out here to the backyard. We'll spin the camera around. So here's a trailer. Now, I got this from my wife's aunt, and I was hoping I could use it for No Name, but it is in no condition to make that kind of trip right now. Tires are still in decent shape, but fenders are all messed up. Let's take a look at the tongue over here. The tongue is twisted. I could barely get it on the truck to get it over here. So I'm probably gonna have Leighton. I'm gonna buy a new one of these and have Leighton weld it back on here for me. And as you can see, the wiring is trashed. So I gotta get a new wiring harness for it. I can take this stuff off. I'm gonna repaint it. This tire is finally relaxed, I think, but it was where it wasn't. Yeah, it's starting to relax. So maybe the suspension ain't as bad as I thought it was going to be. But this trailer has seen its better days. The wood is still good on it. The ramps, looks like somebody made some homemade ramps out of it. I'll get some ramps for it, and they'll slide underneath like they should. But like, you know, junk. But it is a good, decent. Looks like it's a 20 foot. I haven't measured it. It's an 18 or 20. But it's cleared up. Tires aren't bad. I'll probably go ahead and just put new tires on it anyway. But you can kind of see how the suspension is jacked up. I think because it sat at her house for over a year. So it hadn't been moved. So, like I said, I'm gonna get new tires for it. Tires ain't bad, but I'll get new tires for it, maybe new suspension, clean everything up. Go ahead and put a winch on it. And, you know, of course, the new front end and a new jack. But yeah, this can be my winter project. Rewire the whole thing, put new fenders on it, new tires. So yeah, I'll do some videos of rebuilding this trailer. And you know, I ain't gonna scoff at anything that's basically free. So I'll just have to put some work into it. Nobody loves a project more than I do. So anyway, guys, we'll holler at you later, and we'll see you at No Name. I'll be there Wednesday, probably, I'm guessing between 1 and 2 o'clock on this Wednesday. And we're gonna have a party this year. Unfortunately, some people aren't coming that I really wish they would, but there's reasons why they're not coming. But anyway, I'll catch y'all later. I might make a couple more videos of, I don't know, getting everything packed up, and truck on the trailer and everything. I gotta go pick up my buddy's trailer today. Then I'm gonna use the same trailer I used last year, so I know it's a good trailer. So y'all take it easy, and we'll see you at No Name.